Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Wrapping your Tesla in a color change has become increasingly popular, and today we have this very cool Model 3 that we just finished wrapping using 3M Satin Flip Psychedelic vinyl film. This film is exceptional. Take a look at how it's changing colors as the sun hits it. You see a bunch of purples and yellows and blues and teals and a little bit of a golden flare as well, and as you walk around the car, when the sun hits it at different angles, it's constantly changing colors. And that makes this film really special, very cool on a Tesla, in my opinion, and a complete color change. You can't even tell what color this car was before we wrapped it. And that's because at T-sportline, we meticulously removed the bumpers and the headlights and as many parts as we absolutely can to ensure a proper rolled edge color change wrap. And this one came out perfect. The customer did not stop there though. He wanted to go ahead and change his wheels to our 20-inch TXL115 wheels finished in satin black. Satin black was the proper color choice because it matches all the satin black trim that came on the car from Tesla. The wrap is satin, it just flows really nicely. And Michelin tires were used to complete the wheel and tire package. This car is all done. The customer's on his way to pick it up, and I'm sure he's going to be very excited. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.